In this video, I'll show you how to use the formatter in Zapier. First, sign into your Zapier account and click Create, then select Zap to create a new automation. Set up your trigger app and test it so Zapier can pull in sample data. Next, click the plus button to add a new step. Search for Formatter by Zapier and select it. This built-in tool lets you format text, numbers, dates, and other types of data before sending them to the next step. Now, choose the transformation you need. For example, you can format a date, split text, convert numbers, change capitalization, or perform simple calculations. After selecting the transformation, map the data from your trigger into the required fields. Once you've configured the formatter step, click Test Step to make sure the output looks correct. If everything is working as expected, continue setting up the rest of your Zap using the formatted data. Finally, publish your Zap to turn on the automation. From now on, Zapier will automatically format your data before passing it to the next app in your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the formatter in Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.